Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. Windows 11 can't run on unsupported PCs such as those without DPM 2.0. Welcome to the channel and let's get started. Now let's see if it still works. Go next, install Windows 11. Next, I don't have a product key. Windows 11 Pro. You can see it said this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. It means that it is impossible to run Windows 11 on this virtual machine. To run Windows 11, we will need to follow these steps. Press on Shift plus F10. It didn't open the command prompt. Shift F10 or Shift F10. It will open the command prompt. Now open regedit and then go to HKey current user. No, HKey local machine. System setup and then create a new key and then click create a new key named lab config. Go to lab config and then create a new dword 32-bit named bypass DPM check. All should be in capital letters and set its value to 1. Create another 32-bit value named bypass secure check. And also set this value to 1. And then one more 32-bit value named bypass value named bypass RAM check. And set this value to 1. Make sure you created this dword and set its value to 1 and then close the regedit and command prompt. Click on next. Next. I don't have a product key. Windows 11 Pro. And it will work. As you can see, it still does not work. This means that you did not do these steps correctly. If you do these steps correctly, it will be redirected to installation screen. That is how to bypass requirements for Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. However, if this method doesn't work, you can go to registry editor key local machine system setup setup, and then create a new default 32-bit value with allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU. This means that this will bypass the requirements.